Hey guys, are you looking for an easy way to notch, saddle, or cope your pipe, whether it's for fencing or different types of projects? Well, in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to do that using a bandsaw. Here we go. Alright, so what are you going to actually use a saddle or cope or notch pipe for when you're building your fence? Well, it could either be for a post on the top, as you can see here, for doing a top rail, whether you're doing top rail no climb, continuous fence, railed fencing, whatever it might be, you're going to need to saddle that for your top rail. The other option is if you're going to be doing rails inside your post. So you got a post right here, and you're wanting rails on the inside to make it flow and look really nice. So you're going to need to notch that as well. So in this video, we're going to go step by step on exactly how to do that using a bandsaw. So let's jump on in onto the tools you need when using this. So the different tools you're going to need for doing this is one of these pipe guides. This is a 2 3/8 specific to the pipe I'm using. They have different sizes, inch 5/8, inch 7/8, 2 inch that you can buy. We'll leave a link in the description that you can get one for yourself as well. You're going to need your pipe, obviously. You're going to need a marker to mark it, and obviously a tape measure. You're going to need a tape measure for when you're measuring in between your posts. On the top rail, obviously, you're going to need to measure the height and make sure it's the right, distance from the ground when cutting, so your fence turns out nice. So, first step that you're going to do is mark where you want to notch this. Okay, so they obviously call it notching, it's saddling, coping. There's also fish mouth. So any of those, that's exactly what we're doing here. Okay, so right here I'm going to show you, I'm going to be on the end of the pipes so we don't have to do more cuts. First step is we're literally just going to mark this guide. It's exactly what it is. It's guiding us, a pipe guide on different notches. It also has different other cuts you can use, but we're trying to do a notch here. So you're going to turn around. You're going to do a notch here. Okay. So now that we've used this pipe guide, we've marked it with our marker. All we need now is to get our portable bandsaw, which you can also get. You can get these at Home Depot, at Harbor Freight, even on Amazon. So we'll leave a link in the description as well for you to get one of these. You're going to have to get some blades as well. So now all you got to do is, the best method for using this portable bandsaw is you're going to start on the top and you're going to want to go at an angle, and you're going to want to follow, obviously, your mark. Okay, so I'm going to jump over here, we're going to hold it. All right, and we're just going to again go at an angle to follow that cut line. So here we go, we're going to start cutting. All right, now that we got it cut, you're going to want to check it. I always like to have a little cut, a smaller piece for you to check all your cuts when you're building fence. So, looks really good. So there we go, guys. An easy way to notch saddle pipe. It's this bandsaw, portable bandsaw you can find on Amazon or Home Depot or Harbor Freight. Click the link below in the description, but stay tuned for our next video. We're going to show you how to do a different method with a different tool. Also notching. We're going to see which option is best overall in a later video, so stay tuned for that. Let's dive into the next one. Hey guys, if you like what you see in these videos about notching, be sure to like and subscribe for more great videos.